Samoa, a stunning island nation in the South Pacific, is known for its pristine beaches and lush rainforests. But there's more to Samoa than meets the eye. Let's explore 6 hidden gems in Samoa. First up, the Togitogiga Waterfall. Nestled in the Walkway National Park on Upolu Island, this waterfall cascades into a crystal-clear pool. It's a 20-minute drive from Apia, Samoa's capital. Next, the Upolu Waterfall on Savai'i Island. This waterfall features 2 cascading falls plunging into a deep pool. It's about an hour's drive from Falealupo, Savai'i's main town. Third, the Sopoaga Waterfalls on Upolu Island. This waterfall, surrounded by lush vegetation, is a serene hidden gem. A short hike through the rainforest will lead you there. Fourth, the Papaseea Ocean Trench. This natural swimming hole on Upolu's south coast is often overlooked. It's a 45-minute drive from Apia. Fifth, the Falealupo Canopy Walkway on Savai'i Island. This walkway, suspended 100 feet above the ground, offers breathtaking views of the rainforest canopy. It's a 2-hour drive from Falealupo. Finally, the Papaseea Sliding Rock on Upolu Island. This natural water slide is a fun attraction for all ages. It's just a 15-minute drive from Apia. So if you're planning a trip to Samoa, don't miss these hidden gems. They offer a unique experience of the island's beauty and serenity. Happy exploring?